Hey, check this out. This is a jet tub. Hey guys, this is From the Neighborhood, and today we have another REO opportunity. This time, we're in Ozone Park, Queens. The house we're gonna see today is located nearby shops, places of worship, playgrounds, the Resorts World Casino, and so much more. Right behind me is John Adams High School. And this property is being brought to you by the Pro Homeworks team over at Century Homes Realty Group. So here we are. This is 10318 Platwood Avenue in Ozone Park. This is a two-family house, so let's take a look inside. So I'm walking into the living space, and the first thing I gotta say is let there be light. This living room features 6 windows and a 4-panel bay window. Okay, so let's go down this hallway and see what we find. Over here, it looks like we have a smaller bedroom. So this is gonna be bedroom number 1. And this bedroom is much larger. So let's see, this should be the master bedroom. Now we'll go all the way down here to the end of the hallway. And around the corner, we find the kitchen. Now the kitchen has a lot of work that needs to be done, but this is where the stove was, refrigerator was right here. And this wraps around, and I see a door there, which actually leads us out to the backyard. And this doorway leads us to the bathroom. It's a full 3-piece bath. Let's check it out. Hey, this has a jet tub. You can't say there's no opportunity in this REO. Okay, so this floor is a wrap. The only thing is I can't find a way to get upstairs, and there's one more apartment to go. So what I think we should do is let's go outside, go around the house, and find out if there's another entrance. Electric meters are outside. So like I said, we're on the search for the 2nd floor apartment. And the way to get to the back of the house is by going down here. Okay, so we made it to the back of the house. Now, the only thing I can see here is that there's a set of stairs going all the way up to the 2nd floor. So that's gotta be the way up. Over here, you got your back door, which is the one leading us from the kitchen. And this, well, this, I hope it's you know, what it's supposed to be, a garage. Okay, we're gonna go in through the side door because it's always easier to open up the side doors, and it's super convenient, right? You just open the side door and get whatever you want from your garage. So when I go inside, I don't see a garage. It's actually fully finished. It's got tile floors. It looks like it was set up like some sort of office. There's a closet here, and right above my head, it looks like there's storage. Let's take a look. So I checked out the basement, just utilities down there and a couple of rooms, nothing fancy. So let's take a look at the 2nd floor. Behold, the 2nd floor. I guess you can call this a balcony. So upon entering the house, I find myself with another large living space. And over here, I'm expecting to see a bathroom. Down over here, we should have the kitchen, bedroom, and well, there's the kitchen. Wow, right on schedule. So kitchen here has its nice space. And over here, let's see, it should be a pantry. That's a pantry. And, oh wow, this is how you get to the attic. Let's leave the attic for later because there has to be one more room on this floor. And go down here, we're finding ourselves with a large closet. And here is the master bedroom. Don't you just love having mirrors in a bedroom? I mean, check this out. Hey, bam ba dam ba, bam ba dam dun dun dun, da 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 da. Okay, now let's see what this attic is all about. And this is a very special attic. I mean, there's no room for broad shoulders. And if you get furniture, you better make sure it comes in a box. Okay, so I walked around the entire attic, and basically what we have is just 2 triangular rooms. So thanks for taking a tour with me on this REO opportunity. If you have questions or for showing, contact the Pro Homeworks team. I've got more coming your way, so don't forget to subscribe. And if you have a home you want me to show, then tell me and drop it in the comments below. I'll be seeing you back in the neighborhood.